This is the installation guide for ScreenArmor's UltraGuard Peel and Snap Fit install. UltraGuard is our premium film with the highest level of protection for curved screens. Most competitor films are merely 0.12mm deep and offer no impact protection. So it is important here to prove to you why it's worth paying a little extra for this premium film protector. UltraGuard is 0.21mm thick, which is 75 to 90% more than other brands, as well as including a perfectly clear, high-tech, non-Newtonian, impact-resistant polymer. The description non-Newtonian may be new to you, but it is simply this. Under shock or impact, the atoms tighten, creating a hard, impact-resistant surface. The rest of the time, the material is pliable, which is ideal for curved screens. Now for the install. UltraGuard Clear is easy to spot by these golden yellow highlights. We're going to assume that you've already chosen your design and cut the film. If not, rewatch our installation guides on youtube.com/@ScreenArmor. For this install, you will need a squeegee, a microfiber cloth, and cleaning spray. Remove any old screen protectors and clean the screen. Now, this is the only quirk of UltraGuard because it is so thick. It's easier to remove the protective layer before applying it to the applicator. Without it, we find the install is much smoother, which is why we call this the Peel and Snap Fit install. Weed off the top protective layer entirely, being careful not to lift the clear film. Make a mental note that the camera holes are in the right place and peel off the bottom white layer and lay it over the 4 applicator hooks. Without touching the center snap line, wipe the dust sticker onto the screen to pick up any residual dust. Now, hold the squeegee in your right hand and take hold of the film with your left. Flip it up and snap it back more than 90 degrees and you will see the dust layer begin to peel away. Lower the film and with the squeegee reach just beyond the center snap line and start to push the protector onto the screen. Now, swap hands and lift the right side of the protector from the applicator. Snap it back more than 90 degrees and push down hard with the squeegee from left to right, all along the screen. Weed off the outer frame. For curved screens, use the microfiber cloth to push the film onto any edges, but here I use the squeegee, pressing gently. Because the material is so tough, you can use some force to remove any remaining snapline marks. And there you have it, a perfect bubble-free install. Lovely jubbly.
Recruits, that concludes your training. You can now install ScreenArmor's UltraGuard, dust-free.